Hello family and friends. Thank you for joining me today. Over the next 3 weeks, I'm going to share with you 3 different appetizer pinwheels that you can make that is so simple. And the first one I'm going to show you is the veggie pinwheel. They all start with the same base spread, which is an 8-ounce block of cream cheese and a 1/4 cup of pesto. I get a pesto that's in a jar, whatever your favorite is. And then I use 2 burrito size spinach tortillas for this. I start by spreading the spread all over the tortilla, and I want to spread it all the way out to the very edge. You don't want to miss any part of it. And then I start by, I had actually cleaned my spinach and then dried it off with a paper towel. And it's probably about, I think it was about a cup of spinach leaves that I had. And I just tear the stem off and put the leaves covering the entire tortilla shell. Once that gets done, then I take the sun-dried tomatoes, and I did buy sun-dried tomatoes were sliced, and then I blot the oil off of that and the artichokes, and the artichokes were the chopped. I place them throughout the tortilla shell, and then I had sliced green olives that I spread all around the tortilla. And then I just roll it up as tightly as I could, and then I wrapped it in plastic wrap, put it in the refrigerator so it could set, and then when I was ready to go to the party, I just cut it in about a 1-inch slice. So this is the tortilla. So I hope you enjoy it. Make it a gorgeous day every day. Bye.